Cut Ryan a small piece of rebar for the cedar that's going on the fireplace. Watch this when I bring it into him. Packing up already? Are we gonna put this baby in there, Vance?
What do you got, dude? Oh no, I'm just...
That's every bit of 7 inches, ain't it?
What am I gonna do with that?
I didn't want to make it too long. All you need is just enough to catch it.
Well, you gotta run it up in the damn tree a little bit, homeboy.
Yeah, I figured an inch and a quarter each way. I'll cut another one if it ain't long enough.
Seriously?
I didn't want to get it too long and have you say it's too much.
Is that even half inch?
That's 7 inches right there, man.
In your world?
In my world, yeah, that's 7 inches right there, baby. You want me to cut a longer one? It only needs an inch on top, an inch on the bottom.
No, it take 45 minutes to go cut another piece of rebar.
All right, man.
Is a half inch hole too big for that?
I told you that's some dense wood, man. You're gonna start the house on fire. Put it in forward, not reverse.
It is in forward.
You get a steel bit?
May have to.
Get a concrete bit.
I can't do this.
Seriously?
Well, that ain't working now, is it? Rebar spot marked. Sharon gave us good instructions, our little treasure map. Time to punch a hole in there. Never before seen, boys and girls, Ryan Violet with a vacuum cleaner. We're marking history right here.
Really?
Look at Vance over there, concentrating. You can't read. You can't read the writing on the caulk there.
It says one surface has to be porous.
Well, you're gonna glue it also, huh?
Damn skippy we are. Damn skippy we are. Damn skippy we are.
All right, we got it lined up. The hole in the bottom, glued in the bottom. No pressure, Vance, but don't be.
Can we still move? I guess we could. Left or right? You wanna?
Well, we just did.
Oh, okay.
Man, we're so far ahead of you, man, it ain't even funny. Now be careful up there. Did you hit a joint?
Sure wasn't very. I think I hit wood. Okay. Take some of this shit away from me. Wire maybe?
Yeah.
And that goes through there.
Should.
Wow.
I went through something.
Oh, it's probably just the electrical line there with the little ambiance lights that we put in. Oh no, I need a bigger screw.
Get
Is
some
that
of
better?
son of a bitch. Grab it.
For when Ryan's kid comes over and starts climbing.
Then we'll slap Ryan and his kid. Then we'll slap Ryan and his kid.
All right, we got a screw on the top, one in the center, and a peg at the bottom.
Huh? Hey. Hey. Huh? Huh? Hey.
Hey, what? Beautiful.
Now she just needs to take some of that stain and put on those boards around the fireplace.
Good thing I was the one that eyeballed this one. She's really nice and straight.
It's still leaning that way. Here's
Yeah,
one stick.
I'm looking at here, this straight line right here, and this here, right there.
Your
That's-
straight line is about like your length.
Yeah, well.
Felt like your what?
Okay, so here is the fireplace with the cedar now. We put this in today. It's kind of dark in here right now, so it's hard to appreciate it, but this is that one my wife found here in the woods. Very beautiful. And sorry, I find myself keep looking over there at the deer out and back. There's at least 4 or 5. All right, let's go over here and look. 1, 2, 3,